In Discord, we can send or share videos very easily, and here's how to do it. First of all, go to your Discord and to send a video in direct message, then all you have to need go to the chat or conversation, and now click on this plus icon and click on upload a file. And now from your computer, you have to select the video that you want to send. Once the video added, hit on enter on your keyboard and the video will be uploaded. Here we can see. And now in order to send a video in Discord server, go to the server and click on the plus icon, click on upload a file, and all you have to need select the video that you want to send and hit enter. And now if you have a large video file and you want to send the video in your Discord, in this case you have to use Google Drive. So go to your Google Drive and all you have to need upload the large video in your Google Drive. Now select the video and click on the share icon, and here click on restricted and select anyone with the link, and then copy the video link, go back to your Discord and paste the Google Drive video link in this message box and send the link. And now anyone will be able to easily watch and download the video by clicking on this Google Drive link. Thanks for watching.